Hi everyone, welcome back to my huge channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to do a tutorial for this painting just so I can give you guys a better idea of the process behind a piece like that. I will show you how I choose colors as well as how I do my underpainting and just any other thing in between. So I will be using those gouache paints and some very basic cheap brushes. My favorite are those flat ones. They are very practical, you can draw very small details and get that sharp line and clear edge in your paintings, which looks always very beautiful. First thing I do, even before drawing any line, is sticking my paper to this board. It's important because it prevents the sheet from bending when it's wet. And now onto the actual painting. I start by taking a few reference photos. I'm deciding how I want to position my object and I'm finding the best angle and lighting. And when I have everything ready, I start by drawing perspective lines. It's crucial to get them right at the beginning because it will be very hard to correct later on. I decided I will start this drawing from the part of the headphones that sits on the top of your head. I have no idea how to describe it differently. Anyway, it's just my preference. It will be easier for me to do it that way. So I drew an ellipse in perspective and I'm deciding how thick and high I want it to be. Now here's the tricky part, and it's not that its construction is complicated, but more so that there are so many lines that it's hard for me to see what I'm actually drawing. But somehow I managed to make it look presentable, and straight after that I started doing this tilted one, which was much more complicated because I needed to find the point where the two round pieces are connecting so that it looks and works the same as in real life. I know my sketch has smudged because I was moving my hand a lot, but it really doesn't matter at all. I will be erasing it anyway. I leave only light lines, but dark enough to see them under first thin layer of paint. When it comes to color, I've chose this vibrant salmon pink for the underpainting, which will later be covered with much more muted pastel pink. I create shades with this lavender color, and for final details I'm using purple and brown mixed with a bit of white to tone down this dark combination so it matches better the rest of the painting. And that's the finished artwork. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for being here, and I will be seeing you again soon.